Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the FITA Screen Protector plus a camera lens protector. That's all in one package. It's compatible with iPhone 13 Pro. It's a 2+2 pack. Of course, you can also order this product for your iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's tempered glass, screen protector and a camera lens cover, and it's compatible in this case with my iPhone 13 Pro 6.1 inches. Precision cutting screen protector combined with the camera lens protector, and it's compatible with our iPhone 13 Pro only. We should have a look first that our device is the correct version before purchasing, for example, okay? Because there are 3 versions on the market. Hydrophobic, oleophobic coating protects the screen and the camera lens against sweat and oil. It keeps high clear without impacting on the device usability, maintaining the original touch feeling, and 9H hardness designed. This iPhone 13 Pro tempered glass screen protector and camera lens protector can effectively protect the phone screen and lens from unwanted scratches. It's made from high quality adhesives for easy installation and no residue when removed. Optically glass allows 99.99% HD clarity. It's providing premium protection without adding unnecessary bulk. It's case-friendly designed. Especially leaves a little gaps to install the phone case, though they will not affect the wearing of the protective case. It comes with cleaning kits for fast and directly installation. So now let's perform this here in that video. It's compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro 6.1 inches. It's a 2-pack, and a 2-pack, that means it's a 4-pack. 2-pack of screen protection, 2-pack of camera protection. HD clarity, full coverage, anti-scratch, anti-dust, and oleophobic coating. Transparent. This is transparent as one. It's easy and fast, as you can see. We have to fully protect our phone screen and camera. Effectively prevent scratches and damages too. So that's easy to install. I will show you now how to attach this onto your screen, and in one case we will attach it on the camera system. It's easy. The first step is we are going to clean the screen with the wet wipe and dry the screen. After the wet wipe does finish the work, we will dry the screen with the dry wipe, and of course, if it's necessary, the cleaning cloth. We have to make sure that the screen is totally cleaned and dry before we proceeding, okay? This is the most important step here. Really, this is the best thing to have no problem with that new screen protection film on top of your iPhone. If it is necessary, we clean the screen dust with the dust removal sticker, okay? But only it is necessary. You have to perform this because every little dust thing on your screen can make a not so good screen protection, because this will lift your protection a little bit. Now we are enter the frame, the positional frame on top of our device. Now it's really important to work nearly dust-free. We peel off the sticker to remove the protective film from the screen protector itself. And then we align the side of the protector with the tear off label with the screen and gently stick on it. Take care and do this smooth and gentle, and then we gently slide our finger in the middle of the screen, or I like it more from the upside down, up to the downside. The protector will automatically be absorbed on the screen and expel the air bubbles easily. If there are tiny bubbles on the edges, we can use our fingers to squeeze the bubbles toward the edge of the screen to discharge them, for example. Job's done. So now we perform the same steps on the other side, on the back side of our device. The first step is we clean the screen with the wet wipe. This is important because we are going to remove the entire family of dust and debris on it. Next step is, of course, we use the dry cloth to dry it out. And then it's time for the cover. We peel off the sticker and remove the protective film from the camera protection system. And then, of course, we have to look how we have to attach it there, because there are three black rings, halos, and a little black halo. This little black halo is for a LED flash, and the other, okay, is for the camera system. So get it in position and job's done. That's all. And you can see it looks beautiful anymore. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.